Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can make private story on Snapchat or how you can post private stories on Snapchat. So for this, tap on your Snapchat profile and then friends tap on new story option and then tap on the new private story option. Then friends, you have to choose that person which you want to show your story, and that means which you want to make a part of your private story. So guys, I am selecting that my friend, and friends, after then tap on create story option and then choose a name of your story. Like I am choosing a name like private story, like just for example, and then tap on the save option. So friends, as you tap on the save option, you can see our private story section is created. So if you want to add a story on your private story in which your that friend will be so story. So for this, tap on that story option and then you can choose from camera roll, or also you can choose from your memory. Or friends, if you want to post a story, so you can also create story from your camera, and after then tap on the send to option and then friends tap on view more option, and here you can see a private story that I created is available in this. Tap on this option and simply tap on the make story option, and guys, you can see our private story is posted. So friends, by following these steps, you can also create a private story in which you can customize who can see your story.